The Jeep Grand Cherokee key fob for 2008 to 2013 models uses a CR2032 battery. Common symptoms of a dying battery include reduced range or unresponsive buttons. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Gently pry open the key fob case at the notch, usually on the side or bottom. Be careful not to scratch the plastic. Once open, note the battery orientation with positive side up. Remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side up. Snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Test the fob by pressing the buttons within 10 to 20 feet of your Jeep. If the fob is unresponsive, a remote fix may be needed. Turn the key to the on position 8 to 10 times in 15 seconds while pressing the fob buttons. This resets the system. It's a software reset, not hardware related. Consider eco-friendly rechargeable CR2032 options for sustainability.